Umphathiswa wezokuhlaliswa koluntu eGauteng uThasneem Mutara undwendwele ihostele eziliqela kumbindi wedolophu yaseGoli ebutsheni banamhlanje kulandela inkxalabo ekhulayo yoluntu malunga nokuhloka kwezakhiwo zehostele kwiphondo jikelele. Olu tyelelo luyinxalenye yephulo lesebe elithi Siyeza Nakuwe elijolise ekusondezeni inkonzo ebantwini ngelixa likwabeka esweni inkqubela yemisebenzi yophuhliso lwezindlu. Enye yehostele ezityelelwe ngumphathiswa uMutara ebekhatshwa ngamagosa omasipala waseGoli yihostele yaseGeorge Gordh kunye neyaseGP.
Njengoba sekuphele iminyaka emithathu kulungiswa amahostela aseGoli, uhulumeni wesifundazwe saseGauteng uthi ujabule ngokuqhubeka komsebenzi wokulungiswa kwamahostela. Kanti namhlanje ungqongqoshe wezokuhlaliswa kwabantu eGauteng uThasneem Mutara kanye ne-MMC yaseGoli yomnyango umlungisi Mabaso bavakashele amahostela angaphakathi kwedolobha laseGoli.
These hostels are really old. They are overcrowded. They have been built for a particular purpose, and over time, that purpose has really evolved. So we have a responsibility, not only because we own them, but also just from a human rights perspective and dignity, like you said, to be able to do restorative repairs. In some of the hostels, the work is quite extensive. So there would have been sewer repairs and upgrades, electrical maintenance and upgrades, and then they're doing a lot of internal work, just painting, doing restoration of the floors, the walls, the glazing, the external works, paving, where there was never paving before.
Babe sebebalula ukuthi lolu hlelo luyingxenye yomkhankaso wabo abawuqala nyakenye obizwa ngokuthi Siyeza Nakuwe. Ungqongqoshe wezokuhlaliswa kwabantu eGauteng ubesebalula ukuthi enye yezingqinamba eyenza ukuthi kube nokubambezeleka ekunikezelweni kwabantu emahostela abo ukwanda kohlu lwabantu abafuna amahostela.
We've got a huge backlog just on human settlements as a whole. Yes, it is budget dependent, so we are grant funded from National Human Settlements. We only can build X amount of houses depending on how much of budget we get, and the money that we get just doesn't meet the demand. People register for houses every single day, but I think that has got more to do with the state of the economy. The fact that people register for houses is because they don't have an option outside of looking for government subsidized housing. If you were able to provide your own shelter outside of government subsidized housing, we wouldn't have the huge amounts of people that register for houses every single day.
Uthenye izingqinamba iyo inkinga yenkece ubese balula ukuthi bazama ngakho konke okusemandleni njengomnyango ukuthi basheshise lolu hlelo ukuze abantu bezokwazi ukunikezwa izindlu zabo. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, nginguNobuhle wakwaNdlovu ngibika ngiseGoli.